and I'm going into a session, let's say session 12. And I got the items in there. And then as I scroll down, looks like every video is the same one instead of it being a different one. There- I don't know why, but there are usually different videos embedded. For some reason, they all show as the same video. And then if I hit play, I'm just getting that Blackboard main page instead of the actual video. Now, if I quick enroll in the course or log in as the instructor, then I can hit play and view the video, but again, I'm seeing all the same videos, not any like different. So let me.
Those are new embedded?
I believe so. I mean, embedded or mashups, we never had this problem before. It just started since we installed that uh, video, beta building block. So here I am in the same course as the instructor. I'm going to session 12, and when I click play, the video will load, but it's the same video repeating, even though it should be a different one. And
Okay,
also,
this
for
is
some reason, it's on mute
now you logged in as a student.
as the instructor.
So how do you said before the when you try to play the homepage institutional page is popping
Yeah,
up?
this is me as a Blackboard admin, not
Oh,
enrolled
admin.
in a course.
Okay.
And when I click play, I'm just getting the main Blackboard page, which is this one.
So
I get the banner and the courses I'm enrolled in
okay,
rather than
so
the actual video.
as an admin, you see the this message, the
I
homepage
see this
message.
message unless I enroll in the course. Then if I am enrolled in the course, then I see what the instructor sees, which is the video, the 10-minute, 20-second video. But apparently it looks like it's the same video repeating instead of being a different one. So she's got some principles of biology, then this one should be ecology, but again, it's the same video repeating. It's like something is wrong with the building block that's causing for the same video to show up in the entire session rather than different videos.
Okay. Can you upload now a new video? Let's see what happens.
Like place a new video in her course.
Yeah, to see if the same video is uploading.
I'm just gonna pick this one, for example. And embedded, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, looks like it's a different video, but it's gonna be quite the work if we have to do this, like to replace the videos because something may have happened with the building block.
Okay, so just to verify that I understand, all the embeddeds are showing the same video. It doesn't matter what you uploaded, but new embedded are working.
Well, let me see if these are embedded or added as mashups.
Can you hold on just a second?
Yeah.
Okay, Adrian, I just consulted with one of my colleagues. It appears that this behavior is occurring to another customer, so we need to investigate it with the application team.
hmm
Uh,
I'm looking at the embed code for the this lecture portion or wherever it is in the session, and the embed code does say mashup, so I'm not sure if that means all of these have been added as mashups.
Yeah, I think because there are old embedded, you should not pay attention to this embed code. So with new embedded, we're 100% it's working, right?
Well, I just added one and it looks like it's there. So if I go back at the bottom and I'm looking at the video, yes, looks like it's a different video. It's not the same as the other ones,
Okay.
like here, for example.
So I need to talk with our application team to see if it's possible to recreate the old embedded, which I'm not sure.
Hmm.
I guess the only workaround is to re-embed the files. So I'll talk with them and think we will have an answer like next week. But you did mention that you have another issue, right?
Yeah, so I have a demo course that I logged in as a student, and I'm gonna go to a discussion board or assignment, doesn't matter, and I just do a demo discussion board, right? And then I'm embedding a video into a discussion board, and nothing shows up. I mean, mashup or embed is there's just nothing there for the instructor or other students to see. So even though we updated the building block, this issue looks like it's still there. And I can try to do it again just to like give you a demo face.
Okay.
Right. So let's see, demo. Let's see. DB embed. So I'm just gonna go to the My Media and grab a video. I'm gonna grab the embed code, submit DB embed, and nothing.
No, why through the embed code? Let's try to upload it through the mashup.
We can do the mashup, but the mashup didn't work either. Unless it's working now, but I mean, I tried mashup so many times and it just it didn't work for me.
It should work. Oh, there we go.
Okay, so it looks like the mashup now works, but why
So
not the
only if you
embed?
paste the embed code, it doesn't work.
Yeah. And do you know why they all come out as muted? I had to click on mute, like every video apparently that I'm looking at.
Is the player updated?
Uh, I should. I mean, let's see. What was studio? I don't even know which player we have. I don't understand why there's so many.
But I see a lot of them are not. They're all outdated. But I can show you how to recognize your player.
Yeah, because I would love to, if we can, to delete a bunch of these that we don't use if they're not needed.
I recommend to not delete the ones that says do not delete. But
Yeah,
I
just
can show
any of the
you.
other ones that we can delete. Oh, that's not the one. Got some sites. Uh, I'm
I
aware
can
of
show
this
you I
one.
can show you an easier way
Okay,
to identify the player, but it's okay from here as well.
okay.
Go to the player. Not here actually. You can see it here as well. It should be the player ID.
This one, right? Nine four
Yeah,
seven 6872.
yeah, but this is the player for media space. If you want to know the player for the
Blackboard.
Blackboard,
Mm-hmm.
go back please to the configuration management. Yeah, scroll down. Again, more. It should be on the bottom.
That's it.
Um, Wait a minute, where is it? It should be probably in browser embed. But I'll show you a quicker way. Go to please the Blackboard when we play the last video.
This one here.
Yeah.
Like
Now,
for the mashup or
yeah, this one. Now press with your mouse on the right click and press on inspect. Great. Now press Control F and type UI conf, like UI conf. There we
mhm.
go. This is the player 349599631.
Okay. 631. So if I go back here,
This is the player.
631.
Yeah, main BB
Okay.
production. So I highly recommend.
Updated.
Yeah, let's see what is the version when you press update. 270. Yeah, it should be updated to 2.72.
Just do it.
Yeah, great. I'm not sure it will resolve the muted version, but it's always recommended to update it. But I can check if it will not work.
It's
No,
still
it's not work. Um, okay, let me check with it the application team. So I'll check the old embedded issue and why it's muted.
okay.
Okay, and I'll give you an answer like next week if it's okay.
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 Now, do you know anything about some of these? Can we delete them or not?
Well, what it's not start with do not delete. You can delete actually, but you need to check if someone is using it. So the best way to check it if you press on the configuration manager and press in the search. If you go up in the search configuration player,
Player?
yeah,
Player ID?
yeah, you
Or
can search every player, the player ID or every player, and if something is not used, you can delete it.
yeah, I don't know. I'm not so confident about this. I don't want to delete the wrong one. But it looks like some of them are like 7 years ago, 6 years ago, even though they're says do not delete. So I don't know. I just don't want to delete the wrong ones. So I guess I'll just leave it as it is. Though I don't understand why we have 41 players.
Um, we can also I can check, but maybe we can do like analytic. Can ask our analytic which player you do not use, and I
Hmm.
can give you a report.
By providing with the player IDs.
Yeah, I can take you the partner ID and check which player was being used in the
Hmm.
last year or something, and
That
we
would be
can.
great because I this can be a bit confusing to have so many
Yeah,
players here.
I'll check if it's possible. Okay. So thank you very much for your time, and I'll update you next week.
So for this, I guess the only thing we can do is just reinsert the videos as embedded, and hopefully
Yeah,
that error message will go away.
yeah. You want to check
Okay.
again?
I mean, we already did one, and for assignments and discussion boards, looks like the mashup will be the one to go. And for this, I'm just gonna have to grab the. I'm hoping because the only one way to find the videos is just by looking at the player. I know the video ID. So I'm hoping the ID is different and it's not the same.
You mean the UI conf, the player ID or the entry
No, the
ID?
video, the entry ID.
Ah, the entry ID.
I see one here. For this one, I just hope it didn't mess up where it shows you the same ID, because then that would make it really difficult to find the actual videos to see. Looks like there's one here that's probably the
Yeah,
same.
you can search it by name in the KMC.
The only thing is the professor has, um, I think the name got replaced too, so they're all the same name as if it's the same video. She does have ecology part 1, so I'm hoping I can find those. But for this one, I wouldn't know unless it's a 12B instead of 12A. Okay, well, I'll work with the instructor to just reinsert the videos as. So you say to enroll them actually and enter them as embedded for items, but mash up for assignments.
Yeah, probably. But I suggest waiting it with it like for next week. Maybe we'll find how to fix it.
Mhm. Okay. Well, I guess that's probably pretty much it for now, and then I'll just wait to hear back from you about those issues we discussed.
Yeah, I'll probably have an answer like next week.
Okay.
Okay, so thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
All right. Bye.